What's up, guys? Merry Christmas. I'm back with you. Today I'm going to show you the 2022 Husqvarna TE300i ROCKSTAR Edition. This thing's always cool. It's always exciting. I really like the TE300i even in its stock form, so this special edition always excites me about like the 6 days and the Erzbergs do. I've always been a fan of this shroud, guys. It's been one of my favorite shrouds in dirt bikes for the last few years. You probably heard me say this before, but it was kind of designed with a Viking battle axe in mind. Pretty cool. So this is our first ROCKSTAR edition. Just pulled it out of the crate a little bit ago. Wanted to show you guys, you know, I promised to show you guys bikes as soon as humanly possible. So this is your channel. It looks sweet. It looks awesome. It's just the right amount of mix of black and white, just like the new Husky ROCKSTAR edition is this year. This is one of the only bikes that I really do kind of like the black wheels, just because there's enough black everywhere else. It looks good. I am a fan. So let's go over some of the extras you get. I'm probably not going to get everyone perfectly right, but I'll hit most of them. Obviously, the triple clamps are the ones that are what jumps out to you first. They are anodized blue. They look sick. They pop out. Absolutely trick clamps. Next thing I usually notice, front rotor and rotor guard. Now, on this bike, with this special edition, you get a floating front rotor with the rotor guard. The rotor on the rear is a solid rear rotor for mud. So, pretty cool. Those do better in mud than the slotted rotors do. Moving around to the other side of the back wheel, you get this special edition sprocket with the aluminum body and the steel teeth. And what I like about that is that's going to let, now that you make the teeth steel and it's got a good chain on it, those are going to last about the same amount of time. With the cheaper sprocket, the all aluminum on it, the rear sprocket tends to wear out before a good chain does. So that's pretty cool. Moving up to the top, you get the gripper seat cover. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pleats right here in the middle. Another thing we noticed, this bike does not have brake tech braking systems on it. It's all Brembo. So normally the TE class would be brake tech components, which was formerly Magura. Normally that would all be brake tech, and the TX and the motocross bikes would be Brembo. But they did put Brembo controls on this, which is pretty cool. I love the look. Graphics are sweet. Got your skid plate down there. Let's give you a better look at some of those sponsors. It'd be a very close call for me, guys. If I was going to get a new off-road bike right now, it would either be this or 300 XCW KTM. I really don't, it'd almost be like flip a coin. They're both so awesome. The Explorer fork. Now this bike's been relatively the same for a couple years, so I would expect big changes to this. If not this year, then next year. Also, we have Michelin tires. These are the Michelin Enduro mediums. They definitely feel pretty soft. Gonna get some good hookup with those. All right, guys, so you want to hear it run? Let's start it up and listen to it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Just a reminder, this channel is your spot for new dirt bikes, all brands of new dirt bikes, guys. So if you appreciate it, hit that red subscribe button. If you're interested in a new Husqvarna or any other of the KTM group, Beta, Sherco, Suzuki, anything like that, send an email to sales@aomc.mx or send me a direct message somewhere. I'm out there on the internet everywhere, and I will get you hooked up with the right people. We will get you on a bike. If you really appreciate these videos and you would like to be able to message me and communicate with me freely, ask me questions, get some advice, hit that blue join button under the video. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.